Hey guys, Stephanie here. So in this video, we are going to be making a jewelry project from the monthly mystery kit sent to me by the Soft Flex Wire Company, okay? The name of this kit is called Rose All Day, and these are the items that came in the kit listed here, okay? And it retails for $32.95 on the website. You can check it out. They do sell out fast. So you can sign up to get your monthly kit, and all kinds of fabulous things come in the different kits each month. And this is what came in this month's kit. I already did the unboxing for this, so I will link that in the description and above as well, so you can check that out. Quick little video of, the layout of everything that they sent. And I pulled out my beadboard and my tools because we're going to be making a project. And before I opened everything, I just wanted to show you, what I was working with here, okay? I have charms and beautiful beads and some glass pearls, some roundels. This beautiful bead mix. I'm going to open this in a few minutes. So, yeah, just wanted to show you everything. And this is the beautiful rose gold medium wire. And I think I'm going to make a necklace. That's the plan for now. But I have so many options with this kit that I don't know what to make. You could make a bunch of things, right? So I think I'm going to make a nice, cute little necklace for us, okay? So that way you can see how everything lays out, how it works, and how great it's going to look, okay? So let me, cut these open here, and I'm going to open the beads, and we're going to go ahead and get started on our project. So pull out all of your stuff, your jewelry stuff, you jewelry mavens, and let's go ahead and make something fabulous, okay? Okay, guys, so this is my layout for my necklace, and I think I'm going to make a choker style necklace, but it's going to be very elegant. So this is the layout that I'm going with as of now. Now, once I start stringing it, I will see how I like it. I will try it on. And if I decide that, something's not working, I will just change it out. But so far, this is the layout. And it's gorgeous. So it's going to be kind of short. It's probably going to be, I'm going to try to make it about 15 inches, maybe. Maybe 15, 16, something like that. We'll see. But look I just opened up one strand of the beads. And, one strand of the glass pearls. And I opened up the Jesse James bead mix here, Rose All Day. I have enough stuff left over for at least 3 or 4 more pieces, at least. So I may use the pink ones. I think I'm going to use those. But other than that, yes, you have a lot of things left over, and you can always mix and match with your previous month's kits items as well. Okay, so yeah, like I put aside some of these things here, like I could have maybe 2 more pairs of earrings, like this could be a pair of earrings, this can be a pair of earrings. I can make a bracelet if I want to, so you literally can have a necklace, 2 pairs of earrings, and a bracelet or 2, and you still have stuff left over. So that's a great deal, for $32.95, right? So I think I'm going to go with this. They did put some crimps in here, which is great, so I'm going to use those to crimp the ends of my necklace. So I'm going to just go ahead and start stringing this. And yeah, so let's open this. This is medium wire. Okay, that's what it looks like. Very pretty. All right. Let's see. Oh, you know what? Let's open these. When I have my clasp here as well. I'm going to mix the gold and the silver because that's what came in the kit. I don't think there's anything wrong with that. I love the mixing of the metal colors. I think it adds something really interesting. So I'm just going to add a few of these at the end. Yeah, like 4 each maybe. We'll see. I'll check the length, and, I have to restring it if I don't like the length. All right, just string your beads. Okay. I'll use all of these glass pearls are so pretty. Use all of those. I like shorter necklaces sometimes, because if you wear a t-shirt or, you know, a round neck shirt, it works great on the neck, you know. You can still see it. It doesn't dip down into your chest area. So, yeah. And I made sure to have the same stuff on even on each side, so the necklace looks balanced, you know. Oh, it's so pretty on this wire. Look at that. That's going to be so pretty. All right, so let me go ahead and string this up, and I will show you what it looks like when I'm done, okay? Guys, so I finished stringing the necklace, and it's gorgeous. It is absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Just beautiful. And I like that it's really short, you know? So, yeah, it's just beautiful. I tried it on. I always try my stuff on when after I make it, in terms of length and, you know, how it feels, and if it's heavy, if it's itchy, if it's, you know, hanging weird or something like that. I like to do that because I don't like, you know, I want it to be great, you know? So, yeah, this is gorgeous. Look at that. All ready to go. So, I'm just going to go ahead and put the clasp on. All right. Wait, first, let me try my crimps. I need my crimps. And then my clasp, right? That's how that works. I might put 2 on here. Well, maybe not. Maybe 1 might be fine. Let's see. Let's try. So I'm putting on my clasp, and I'm just, I put the crimp tubes on here, and I'm just threading it back through, and then I'm going to just crimp the end, and it'll be secure. All right, I tend to like to go a little bit further down. Some people just go 2 beads in, maybe 3. I don't know. I tend to go as, you know, several. That's just a personal choice. You know, that's what I like to do. So it's up to you if you can get the wire through the bigger beads. Sometimes you can, sometimes you can't. So I think it just makes a piece more secure, in my opinion. But, you know, to each his own. All right, I think that's probably enough, because it's a short little necklace. It's not like it's super heavy or anything. Oh, look at that. It's going to be so pretty. And you just pull. Oh, well. How about you put it through the wire there, Stephanie? Let me see here. Hold on a second. I missed a bead. So you just pull it through. Okay, just thread it through. And this is medium wire, so it's going through these beads just fine. Okay. All right. So I think that's going to be it for me for this one. And I'm just going to pull it. All right, pull it taut. And then we'll do the same with this side as well. Just make sure it's all the way we want to. I did add an extra bead on the end for the length. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I added that, you know, just for the length. And I think the length is great for me, for the piece I'm creating. And I'm just going to crimp these off and then cut this wire. And we'll be done. Okay. All right. Here, so let's crimp our ends here. Good. Okay. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Now let's do this side. Take our little crimps here. Should have had them ready, y'all. Sorry. And what I'm going to do is just loop this around because I don't have a jump ring. Well, I probably could use the jump ring off of this, but I think I'm going to save that for, you know, or I could use this one. This is good too. This came in the kit, this little charm. So I can always use the jump ring off of here, which I might consider doing. Maybe. I don't know. Let's see. Let's just wing it and see. Just use this jump ring from the charm. You know, you can mix and match your pieces here. All right. So I'm going to use this jump ring from the charm. And then if we need to put the charm on something, we'll just use that. There we go. Make it work, y'all. Make it work. So I'm going to just do this. String it like this. And just like I did the other side, just thread it through and pull it taut. And then cut the wire. And we'll be done. Well, you got to crimp, you know, make sure you crimp it, of course. Make sure you do that. See, that's how it looks. Okay. Very much like that. Just thread it through. So just like I did the other side, I'm just going to go ahead and string the wire through several of the beads just to make sure, you know, it's secure. And I'm just going to go in just like on the other side. And when I'm done with it, to make sure everything looks good, looks the way that I want it to look and all that, then I will cut the wires. All right, so we pull, make sure it's tight. Okay. She's gonna be a cute little choker, little short necklace. Let's see. Let's see the length here. From one end to the other. I don't know how many inches it is. What is that? Like 16? Yeah, it's just about 16 inches. Yep, 16 inches. Okay. All right, so make sure it's tight, you know, because we don't want any issues. No problems, no issues. Let's make sure all of our stuff is good to go. All right, on this side as well. This side is pretty good. I love that little heart there. That's so cute. Okay, so she's good on that side. And she's good on this side. Okay, that's just beautiful. And it's 16 inches all the way around. Well, you know, in and then around is 16 inches. So it hits 8 and 8, so that's 16. So in case you were inquiring about the length, it's 16 inches. Yeah, I think this is good. I like it. I like where it's sitting, so I'm going to crimp it off and we'll be done and we'll cut the wire. Okay. Oh yeah, it's good. All right. So it's good, y'all. It's really good. To take your nipper tools and you just cut your wire, cut it down to the base of the bead like that. Okay. And it's done. She's done. It's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. All right, let's go ahead and open this. Put our jump ring through here. And look at that. It's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So pretty, right? So pretty. All right, guys. So that is it for this little tutorial using the mystery design kit from Soft Flex Wire Company. And I still have plenty of things left over for additional projects, additional earrings. I can make another necklace or whatever you want to make. You have charms in here, all kinds of really cute findings, bead caps, spacers, everything. So I love how this necklace came out. It's really cute. It's a choker necklace, so it's really short. You know, but if you were making this for yourself, just make sure you measure it out, you know, the way you want it. So I think it came out gorgeous. It's beautiful. Look at that. And I still have my, like I said, my ear wires for earrings. I can make some earrings to go with this or anything else I want. Okay. So definitely check out the website. Check out the link below in the description and go over and get you one of these kits, these mystery kits, because you won't be disappointed. They're $32.95. And you get all kinds of great goodies in there every month. And so, you know, again, you can mix and match your different pieces from, you know, the various months, right? You have a nice little assortment of things to work with, and I like that. And all you need is your tools, okay? So yeah, so all you need is your tools, and you have everything you need to work with to make some beautiful projects. All right, so if you have any questions or comments, leave it below and I'll answer it and get back to you. And give me a follow on my social media at Stephanie Garrett Creative on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And Stephanie Garrett Designs over on Facebook and Instagrams for my jewelry. Okay. All right, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao.